Did you know that bees are responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat? It's true. These tiny creatures are essential for pollinating a huge variety of plants, including many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without bees, our diets would be much less diverse and far less delicious. There are many different types of bees, but they all share some common characteristics. Bees are social insects, living together in colonies that can number in the tens of thousands. Within these bustling communities, each bee has a specific role to play, ensuring the smooth functioning and survival of the hive. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating lives of these buzzing pollinators. At the heart of every beehive is the queen bee. She is the largest bee in the colony, and her primary role is to lay eggs. A healthy queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. This ensures a constant supply of new bees to carry out the hive's vital tasks. The queen bee is easily identifiable by her long abdomen and the circle of worker bees that constantly surrounds and tends to her every need. Worker bees are all female, and they are the busiest members of the hive. These dedicated workers are responsible for everything from cleaning and guarding the hive to collecting nectar and pollen. They tirelessly fly from flower to flower, using their long tongues to extract nectar and their hairy bodies to collect pollen. The male bees, called drones, have only one job: to mate with the queen bee. They are larger than worker bees but smaller than the queen, and they do not have stingers. Once a drone bee has mated, it dies. Life within the beehive is a delicate balance of roles and responsibilities, ensuring the survival of the colony. Bees have developed an amazing way to communicate with each other: the waggle dance. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar, it returns to the hive and performs this unique dance. The dance tells the other bees the direction and distance to the food source. By watching the dance, the other bees know exactly where to go to collect more nectar. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in a special sac called a honey stomach. When they return to the hive, they deposit the nectar into hexagonal cells made of beeswax. These cells form the familiar honeycomb structure. The bees then fan their wings over the nectar to evaporate the excess water, turning it into thick, golden honey. Honey is the bees' food source, providing them with energy to fly, build their hive, and raise their young. The intricate process of communication and construction within the beehive is a testament to the remarkable organization and efficiency of these tiny creatures. Unfortunately, bees around the world are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. These threats are causing a decline in bee populations, which could have serious consequences for our food supply. Thankfully, there are things we can do to help protect bees. One simple way is to plant bee-friendly flowers in our gardens and yards. Choose a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year to provide bees with a constant source of nectar and pollen. We can also reduce or eliminate our use of pesticides, opting for natural pest control methods instead. By supporting beekeepers and buying local honey, we can further contribute to the well-being of these vital pollinators. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference when it comes to protecting bees and ensuring the health of our planet.